Top 5 Best Hammer Drills for Home Use. Number 5. Milwaukee Electric Tools 280422. This Milwaukee Electric Tools 280422 hammer drill kit is one of the most compact hammer drills on the market. However, don't be fooled by its size. It is a well-made drill with loads of power for small to medium maintenance and DIY tasks. It can handle most drilling applications and surfaces but can struggle with thick concrete. An all-around greater performer, this variable speed hammer drill delivers up to 60% more power, drills up to 2 times faster on high speed, and can produce up to 1,200 inch-pound of torque, so you will be powering through your DIY tasks in a flash. The drill's red and black all-metal casing is solid, and the 1/2 inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck is also made from metal. Smart Red Link intelligence protects the tool from overheating when you are using it for more demanding tasks. This compact cordless drill fits snugly in your hand, which is ideal for those moments when you have to work in tight spaces. The built-in LED light illuminates low-light working areas. It even comes with a side handle, battery pack, charger, belt clip, belt holder, and a durable carrying case. Pros: high quality. Ideal for small to medium duty tasks. Good value for money. Compact. Comfortable fit. Well built. Very powerful. Cons: not ideal for heavy duty tasks. Chuck wobbles a bit when it rotates in thick material. Bit heavy. Coming in number 4. Ryobi P1813. Sturdy and powerful, the Ryobi P1813 hammer drill power tool kit is the perfect choice for those small to medium duty DIY tasks around your home. You can use the P1813 as an ordinary drill driver for lighter work applications. Or if you need some extra drilling power, it can be used for drilling holes in concrete. It produces up to 750 inch-pounds in torque. Variable RPM speeds range from 0 to 410 and 0 to 1/800 and BPM speeds from 0 to 23,000 BPM. The 24-position clutch gives you more control when you need to work with different materials. The Ryobi One Plus is also loaded with handy operator features that will make your DIY chores so much faster to complete. The drill has a 1/2 inch single-sleeve keyless all-metal chuck that allows you to easily change drill bits. You can store all your bits and screws into the magnetic holder at the base of the tool. The grip zone handle provides you with a firm grip on the tool, and the bonus handle can be screwed into either side of the unit. This hammer drill is ready to use as it comes with an 18-volt lithium-ion battery and charger and even a handy tool bag. Pros: ideal for small to medium DIY chores. Good size and weight. Durable. Powerful. Strong. Extra handle. Cons: not ideal for drilling through very thick concrete. Coming in number 3. DEWALT Hammer Drill. If you are looking for a hammer drill that can easily tackle tough surfaces like steel or masonry, then look no further than the DEWALT hammer drill. With a 7.8 amp motor, a high torque of 2,700 RPM, this drill can power through most DIY or tough maintenance applications in and around your home. The DEWALT drill gives variable speed modes, so you can easily change the speed of your drilling depending on whatever surface you will be working on, from low speed for more precision drilling and high speed for boring deep holes. The dual mode allows you to quickly switch between using the tool as an ordinary drill driver or as a hammer drill for drilling into concrete. The drill is also reversible, which is a handy feature for when the drill gets stuck or you have to remove a drill bit. Although it packs a lot of power, it is still quite light at 4.3 pounds. It has extra operator features like a 360-degree side handle with a depth rod that offers greater control and overall precise drilling performance. The 7.8 amp motor has overload protection, and the 2-finger rubber trigger gives you that much-needed comfort for those tasks that might take you a while to complete. As it is powered by electricity, the drill also comes with an 8-foot power cord. Extra features include a 360-degree side handle, depth rod, and chuck key with holder. Pros: ideal for medium-duty tasks. Easy to use. High quality. Strong and powerful. Good size and weight. Fast. Accurate. 3-year limited warranty. Cons: not ideal for light wood surfaces. No keyless chuck. Expensive. Coming in number 2. Makita Hammer Drill Kit. Once again, Makita delivers the goods with its hammer drill kit. A durable and high-quality drill that has loads of power with a 6-amp motor giving you an output of 2,800 RPM and up to 44,800 BPM. It is lightweight at 4.4 pounds, yet it is still able to be used for the toughest DIY renovations around your home. The 2-mode operation means you can use it for rotation purposes, or when you need extra drilling power you can switch it to the hammering with rotation mode. The all-ball bearing construction and the extended life motor brushes provide the tool with longer life and an overall smooth running performance. For that much-needed operator comfort, the drill has a soft grip handle and an extra handle that is attached to the side of the drill, which gives you both comfort and control when you are working in tight spots and for drilling through extra tough surfaces. An extra safety feature is the recessed lock-on button, which gives you continuous drilling action when you are using the drill for longer periods. A depth gauge helps you monitor the depth of your drilling. The keyless chuck allows you to easily change drill bits. The drill also comes with a handy carrying case. Pros: excellent hammer drill. Lightweight. Ideal for hard surfaces like concrete. Very powerful. Cons: chuck is not very good quality. Carrying case made out of cheap plastic. Coming in number 1. Bosch 1191 VSRK Single Speed. The Bosch 1191 VSRK Single Speed Hammer Drill has a lot of attractive features that make it the ideal choice for light-duty DIY applications, or if you have never used a hammer drill. It is durable and lightweight, but can still deliver the drilling action you need with a 120-volt 7-amp motor that can drill up to 3,000 RPMs. With 48,000 max BPMs, it will have no trouble drilling into hardwood and steel. A sturdy, well-made drill has a variable speed selector, a reversing switch for removing bits, or when the drill gets stuck. There is a 2-mode operation selector so that you can easily switch between using the drill for rotation only. For added power, you choose to operate the drill with the hammering with rotation mode. It is comfortable to use with an ergonomic handle that provides you with multiple gripping positions. A 360-degree side handle with a built-in, quick-release depth gauge also gives you that much-needed accuracy and control while you work. The drill also comes with an auxiliary handle, depth rod, chuck key, and carrying case. Pros: ideal for light-duty DIY. Durable. Easy to use. Good size and weight. Powerful. Variable speed. Reversible. Cons: not ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Not ideal for concrete.